To resolve the issue of the receiving account not working, start by accessing the relevant website through your web browser. Once on the home page, you will see Login and Register buttons in the upper right corner. Logging in is necessary to access your receiving account. After logging in, you will have access to various sections, including Home, Get Paid, Account Activity, Bank Accounts, and Business Network, as well as FAQs and notification settings. Navigate to the Get Paid section to find the receiving account. This guide provides general steps, as a fully set up account is not being used for demonstration. In your receiving account, you can manage settings to ensure you can receive funds without issues. Note that receiving accounts are typically used for business-to-business payments. If you encounter problems, refer to the FAQ section or contact the support center for assistance.